What if one single crop could give you spices, fruits, timber, and multiple income streams from the same land? Yes, that crop is black pepper, the king of spices. Today, let's understand integrated black pepper farming, a system that saves space and increases farm income. Black pepper is a climbing plant. It needs support to grow. So instead of using just any pole, why not grow support trees and intercrops that also earn money? Integrated farming means better land use, healthier soil, fewer pests, and income from more than one crop. Let's start with the best support trees. Gliricidia. It grows fast, fixes nitrogen, and improves soil fertility. Pruned branches can be used as green manure or fodder. Jackfruit tree. Strong support for pepper and extra income from fruits. Erythrina. A classic pepper support tree, easy to manage and a natural windbreak. Now, let's talk about intercrops. Turmeric and ginger grow well under shade and give fast yearly income. Banana provides temporary shade, retains soil moisture, and gives fruit returns. In hilly regions, coffee works perfectly with pepper, two high-value crops together. Nutmeg is a long-term spice crop with strong demand in local and export markets. For success, remember this: black pepper hates waterlogging, so drainage is critical. Use organic mulching, drip irrigation, and compost or vermicompost regularly. Prune support trees to control shade and improve pepper yield. Friends, black pepper is not just a spice. It's a powerful income crop when grown the smart way. If this video helped you, like it, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming ideas.